Finding the perfect domain name can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. With millions of .coms already taken, where do you turn? Enter the .ws domain extension. It is a powerful, versatile alternative that is gaining massive traction among digital entrepreneurs worldwide. Originally designated for Western Samoa, .ws was cleverly rebranded to stand for website, making it a truly global top-level domain. One of its greatest benefits is availability. While your dream name might be long gone in .com, it's likely waiting for you in .ws. This extension allows for shorter, more memorable names. In the digital age, brevity is king for branding and user recall. .ws is recognized by all major search engines, ensuring your SEO efforts remain strong and your site remains highly discoverable. Tech enthusiasts and startups are flocking to .ws because it signals innovation. It shows you're ahead of the curve and thinking outside the box. Whether you are building a personal portfolio, a blog, or a full-scale corporate enterprise, .ws provides the professional edge you need. Registering a .ws domain is simple and cost-effective. It's an investment in your brand's identity that won't break the bank. Many world-class companies have already secured their .ws domains to protect their intellectual property and expand their reach. It's not just a domain, it's a statement. A statement that your business is global, modern, and ready for the future of the web. Don't wait for your competitors to take the best names. The internet is evolving, and .ws is at the forefront of that evolution. Think about your long-term branding. A .ws extension gives you the flexibility to scale and adapt as your business grows. The process is as easy as searching, selecting, and launching. Your online presence deserves a name that stands out from the crowd. Take control of your digital destiny today. Explore the possibilities of .ws and secure your place in the future of the internet.